How to buy crypto on Binance. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, How to Geek. In this video, I'll show you how you can buy crypto on Binance. So you want to make sure to simply watch this video till the end. In order to buy crypto on Binance, first of all, launch the Binance app and then tap on the option where you see the arrow icon on the top right. Once you tap on that option, from the bottom you have to choose the option called buy crypto, and once you choose the option called buy crypto, just select the crypto that you want to buy. So since in this case I'll just select the option called Bitcoin, just choose the option called Bitcoin. Once you choose Bitcoin, here you have to enter the dollars worth of Bitcoin that you want to purchase. So in this case I'll just select $100 worth of Bitcoin, which is going to give me 0.00002362 BTC. And then once I've done that, just choose the option called preview purchase, and you'll be able to see all the details, the price, as well as the fee that is associated with it. And then just click on the confirm purchase button, which is at the bottom of the screen. And then once you've done that, you can see the purchase in progress, and then just click on the OK button. And as you've done that, you can go to the notifications tab from the tab in order to see whether or not your BTC purchase was successful. And that's all it takes to buy crypto or Bitcoin on Binance app. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.